Extreme driving fails, idiots on cars. This driver was overtaking a vehicle that had barely happened in front of an oncoming truck, rolling to the side of the road unexpectedly. The van went out of the way, onto the road. The truck driver had to brake immediately. Pedestrian did not look around before entering the road. At the last moment, the car braked in front of the obstacle itself. This man is very lucky. Unexpectedly, the driving driver broke off the vehicle's mirror very quickly, driving into the ditch after a second. Incident captured on camera shows the perpetrators of the incident who run away after a while. Unbelievable how this fast-running dog could hit a car on the side of the road. A vehicle with a trailer hooked up by another road user, after which the trailer capsizes. Pickup made the big mistake of drifting. He failed. The overtaking car on the right at one point pushed the vehicle next to it. This Russian driver, who can drive probably does not have his driving on the road, was very careless. In this situation, a collision is caught on the left by the dash cam. Unexpectedly, the vehicles in front stopped. This man could not brake out. Speeding driver Lada did not notice the pedestrian crossing. He was skidding. Bus driver crashed into another vehicle in front of him. Unexpectedly, the van turned into the opposite lane. In this incident, the driver turned right at the last moment. The cyclist had great reflexes. Renault Clio, avoiding a collision with the car in front of it, hit another vehicle. The Russian driver was hit by a bollard at the edge of the road, which fell under the wheels of the other car. Unexpectedly, the braking of the car from the rear led to the incident.
Oh God! Oh God, we just got hit.
A road intersection. On a road like this, the drivers did not know who had priority. These drivers arranged a race through the streets of the city. It could not have ended well. Ignorance of traffic ended up in this situation. Light bruises cars. At some point, the SUV skidded, hitting the barrier. This guy led to an accident and ran away. The driver caught on a car camera. The driver made no move to stop. The taxi driver hit the oncoming vehicle while turning. Curiosity fact: the car had nowhere to park. The driver decided to drive into a tight space, getting out with the back of the car through the trunk. Lost wheels of the lorry hardly hit the body of the car coming from the opposite direction. Driving too fast bus, it turned out to be a bad idea.